So today I'm going to spend a little time showing you how to align your wallpapers up using Wallpaper Engine. Stick around and we'll find out how to do it. First things first, Merry Christmas to everybody. I nearly forgot to wish you all that. Hope it's been good for you, and I wish you all a Happy New Year as well. I doubt I'll get a video out in time for that, but hope 2025 is a good one for you all. Right, so if you're not familiar with Wallpaper Engine, we'll just jump over to that screen and I'll show you. So when you first install Wallpaper Engine, you'll get something similar to this. You'll see already that I've already grouped my screen, and for the purpose of this video, I'll ungroup it. And that's normally how it will come up looking for you. Now I've got 3 monitors in my setup. I've got a big 40-inch ultra-wide, I've got a 25-inch monitor stacked up above it, and then to the side, in my case, I've got a little LCD screen that I use for monitoring temperatures and all the different things within my PC. But we are purely looking for a wallpaper to be stretched across the 2 screens, and what Wallpaper Engine is really good for is, even if you've got the 2 monitors at different resolutions, it scales everything to size for you and makes wallpapers look pretty neat, to be honest with you. But if you want to know how to group it, if you select, doesn't matter what one you select, but if you select one of them, group, it'll ask you what you want to do, whether you want to clone the screen or stretch it. But for us, we want to stretch it, and then you select the other monitor, and then it basically does that for you. It makes it look as if it's all one big screen. Now this also works for different orientations. You might have screens to the side that you want your wallpaper to be stretched right across. You might have this kind of TIE fighter setup where you've got 1 middle screen, 2 to the side and 1 above. So it's the same again, you just select one, hit group, you want to stretch it, and then you select all the monitors and it will stretch one wallpaper across all 4 monitors. So for the purpose of this video, just to show you the alignment, we'll go to the Darth Maul one that I use. So it's just a case of clicking OK and you'll see that stretching across your monitors. So this is where it becomes a little bit kind of tedious. You might be incredibly lucky, and when it stretches across it, you'll find that your monitors are bang in line with each other. Mine's is just out slightly, even though I've just got a monitor stand on the centre of my desk with the monitor mounts kind of almost directly straight out. There's still a little discretion just because of the depth of the monitors, that the 2 monitors don't actually line up perfect. So by default, when the very first time I done this, the alignment was out. So to get around this, again, I'll just jump into the other screen and show you how to do it. Is when you're on your desktop again, if you just right click your screen and go to display settings, again, you should then see your 3 options of your monitor setup. And again, you can see the stacked arrangement that I've got, and then the little side monitor or side display that I've got in some cases to the side. But if you've got any misalignments, it's just as simple as moving it to position, click apply, see how it looks, and just move it again. Just keep moving it, clicking apply, moving it, clicking apply, and looking at the alignment until you get it bang on. It's as simple as that. I think a lot of people, when they first start using Wallpaper Engine, they think that the option is actually in Wallpaper Engine itself. But the option isn't there. The actual only option is, as I showed you there with the display settings. There is an option within the Wallpaper Engine itself to move the whole entire wallpaper. You might ask, why would you want to do that? You could have again a Wallpaper Engine that's symmetrically, bang in the middle, and by the time you do all your alignments, it turns out that the whole entire wallpaper is maybe off to one side or the other. So at least within Wallpaper Engine, you can actually drag the whole entire wallpaper over to get that central between your 2 screens, if that makes sense. Hope it does make sense. But it's actually amazing the amount of people who have asked questions when they see my setup with this stack setup. How do you get the 2 wallpapers aligned? And it's just a case of getting into that display setting, as I showed you, tweak it, hit apply until you get it bang in the middle, and as simple as that. Easy peasy. Anyway, just a quick simple one, and I hope it helps a lot of people out. And as always guys, I'll be back soon with something else for you. See you later.